In this video, you'll learn how to save Microsoft Forms responses so you can keep a copy on your computer and work with your data more easily. Whether you're collecting survey feedback, quiz results, or registrations, being able to download your responses gives you more control and flexibility. Let's start from the beginning. First, make sure you're signed in to your Microsoft account and that your form is already created in Microsoft Forms. You'll need an existing form that has at least one response for this process to be useful, though you can still follow along even if responses haven't started coming in yet. Go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to Microsoft Forms. Once you're there, you'll see a list of the forms you've created or that have been shared with you. Find the form whose responses you want to save. Click on that form to open it. When the form opens, you'll usually land on the questions view where you can see and edit your questions. To get to the responses, look near the top of the page. You should see two main tabs, one for questions and one for responses or view responses, depending on your version. Click on the View Responses tab. This switches you from editing mode into a summary of all the answers people have submitted. On the Responses page, you'll see an overview of your data. This might include charts, counts, and some basic analytics. What we want here is the option to export everything into a file that we can save. Look for a button or link that says Open in Excel. It's usually right above the summary charts or near the response count. Click Open in Excel. Microsoft Forms will now generate an Excel file that contains all of your form responses. Each question will appear as a column and each response will be on its own row, making it very easy to sort, filter, and analyze later. After a moment, your browser will either automatically download the file or ask you where you want to save it. If your browser prompts you, choose a folder on your computer where you'd like to keep the file. This might be your Downloads folder, a project folder, or a shared location if you collaborate with others. Give the file a clear name if you want to rename it, something that helps you recognize it later, like Survey Responses March, rather than a generic default name. Once you've chosen the location and name, confirm the save. The Excel file is now stored on your computer. You can open it directly in Excel to review, edit, or analyze the data. From there, you can create charts, apply filters, or share the file with colleagues who need access to the responses. A quick tip: if you export again later, Microsoft Forms will generate an updated file that includes any new responses that have come in since the last time you downloaded. Just repeat the same steps. Open your form, go to the View Responses tab, select Open in Excel, and save the new file. And that's all you need to do. You've opened your form in Microsoft Forms, gone to the View Responses tab, used the Open in Excel option, and saved the file on your computer, giving you a permanent and flexible copy of your Microsoft Forms responses.